What's up? Welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be an updated apartment condo tour in Toronto. I did post my last one not too long ago, but a lot of stuff we've changed since then and we're kind of more settled in now, so I thought it would be good to do a little updated apartment tour, and I can actually take you guys upstairs to the rooftop pool because it wasn't open before, but now it's open, so that's going to be really nice, really cool. It has some cool views, so I hope you enjoy the updated tour. Alright, so my dog gets very confused when I make videos because he doesn't know who I'm talking to and why I'm walking around the apartment, so he's going to be probably walking around with me. We have a little friend helping us out. His name is Ari. So let's get started. So here is our hallway. It's a very long hallway, as you can see. We got our console table here and a little mirror. So, as I said in my other video, what I loved about this apartment was that it is so bright at all times of the day. Oh, he wants to show his new toy. Oh, nice toy. And in my last video, I did have a cracked mirror, but I ended up getting a new one that is not cracked, so we love that, don't we? So I'll start with the kitchen again. It's a little noisy right now because we do have a dishwasher in here that is running. We've got a nice little wine fridge in here. We put our alcoholic beverages, and our wine in it. And kitchen appliances are pretty standard. Got my beautiful Smeg kettle, love it. And nice big fridge as well. And to be honest, I was really sad that we had to sell our dining table and chairs, but I really like the bar stools that I got from Wayfair. They were quite expensive, but they're really good quality. They feel nice, they're comfortable. I think that they were definitely worth it, and they're cute material. Hopefully it stays white for a while, but who knows with the dog and food. But yeah, I got two of them. I think they were about $500, which I didn't realize how expensive bar stools were. And this is our bar cart, which we had in our last apartment. And it's getting a little too full now with all of our stuff on it, but that's okay. I'm trying to find new artwork, and I actually order most of my artwork on AliExpress because they do the prints in like this canvasy type of paper. I don't even know how to describe it, but like I think it looks good. Like obviously you're not going to get real artwork quality because it's on canvas paper, but I'm really happy with the selection of it. Like they're very trendy, kind of like Scandinavian minimalistic artwork, a lot of Henry Matisse. But yeah, so I thought we could just do like a really cool design. I just replaced this one. I did paint the frame with it, and I was going for like a wood kind of look. So I bought brown paint and then I bought white paint because the brown was too dark. And I thought that I could just do like a light brown, but it looks pink and I'm really not happy with it. But I'm just gonna leave it for right now because that's not my concern at the moment. But I do want to get a better frame, or at least paint it a better color because it's so like salmony. I don't know how it happened. But yeah, if you're ever looking for like a print or like a poster or artwork or anything, AliExpress, I think this was about $15. Definitely worth it. I used to buy the prints on Etsy and then I would go to like Staples and get them printed off, but I feel like that's just like so much work. So yeah, definitely a lot easier just doing it from AliExpress, and they have really cute stuff as well. So yeah, here we have the side table. This was in my bedroom at my student house. Super cute. I actually think I got it from Walmart. It's all glass, it's super heavy, and I think we cracked it on the move as well a little bit on the side, but whatever, it's fine. And the thing with glass furniture is that you have to Windex it all the time, or you can just see all of the fingerprints and dog hair and everything on it. But yeah, I think it looks really cute, really sleek. This is a living room, and in my last video we didn't have the TV unit just yet, so this is our TV unit. I really like it. Also didn't realize how expensive TV units are. And this one was from Structube, I want to say, and I think it was about $4.50. Definitely not cheap, but I think it looks really cute. It's very like mid-century modern. It adds some warmth in here. Here's our couch. I think I mentioned in the last video, I found this couch on Facebook Marketplace and it was free. You can't beat a free couch. And honestly, it was in pretty good shape for being free. So it's comfy. Here's our little corner. We got an olive plant because I really wanted some greenery in here, but I got a little bit nervous because I know with the big leaf plants, they can be toxic for dogs. So that's why I went with an olive plant. And I also thought it was kind of cute because my boyfriend is half Greek and olives are grown in Greece. So I thought it'd be cute if it ever grows some olives on there. This is the old mirror that we have. I haven't decided what I want to do with it yet. The one that's cracked. Yeah, I don't think I could sell it because it's cracked and it's a big mirror. So I just put it here for now. It still adds some more dimension to the room, adds some light. So as you can see, the view out here, always traffic, always, always, always. And as I said in my previous video, I waited so long for this lamp to come back in stock and I absolutely love it. We haven't used it much because it's been summer, but hopefully when it gets less bright outside, we'll probably use it a little more. And then I found this chair actually also from Facebook Marketplace. I think it looks really similar to the Wasili chair. Obviously it isn't a Wasili, but I think it gives kind of the very modern look. Not the most comfortable, but it was only $40, so you really can't complain. So the thing with our apartment is that it's not on a very high floor, so I think we can literally see the gym, which is like all here, people working out. So we have to be kind of careful that we're not naked or anything in here because then people are able to see very easily. So yeah, I'm really happy with how our apartment turned out. It's just so bright and that's exactly what I wanted. So here's the bedroom. Also, I'm super happy with this. We were worried that our king size bed wouldn't fit inside the bedroom, but it fits with just enough room. It is a little squishy, but we don't spend a lot of time in the bedroom, so it doesn't really matter. And one thing that I keep running into is the lack of closet space in here. We are struggling with our closets because we both have our own closet and it's just not enough room. Like I have all of these. And then I have all of my, I know it's a disaster. I just don't know how to organize it so that it's functional. Like my underwear has to go in one because obviously I can't hang my underwear up. And it's a disaster. It needs to be fixed, but not right now. And this is a washroom, pretty standard washroom. We haven't really changed anything here. We did have 2 washrooms in our last place. So going from having 2 washrooms to having 1, maybe is not the greatest, but overall just very happy with the apartment. Now next, I'll take you to the rooftop pool. Okay, so that's it for my updated apartment condo tour in Toronto. I really hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, if you could please like this video and subscribe, I would really appreciate it. I'm trying to grow my channel and seeing where this can take me, so I'd really appreciate if you could subscribe and like this video. Thanks for watching.